Using master dimensions helps you narrow down the most used dimension and organize them on the left-hand panel for the user. This video will cover all the different ways to create and edit master dimensions. You can create a master dimension from a field. To do it, in the Assets panel, select the dimension you want to add to the master dimensions. Right-click on it and select Create Dimension. In the dialog, you can change the name of the dimension and add label expressions, descriptions or tags. You can also change the dimension color. In this case, we select blue from the color palette. When done, click Create and then close the dialog. Now, the master dimension will be available in the master items. You can also create master dimensions directly from the master items. Click Create New. In the Create New Dimensions dialog, select if the dimension is to be single or drill down. Click a field on the left-hand side to select it. The name of the field is automatically added as the name of the dimension. You can change the name if you want to. Optionally, add a label expression, description and tags. If you want, you can also specify a color for this dimension. When done, click Create. The process is similar if you want to create a drill down dimension. Select drill down as a dimension type. Click at least two fields from the fields list on the left hand side. In this case we add region, customer and city. Type a name for the dimension. In this case we name it region customer. Optionally, add a description and tags. When done, click Create and then close the dialog. Now you can use your drill down dimension to create a visualization. You can also create calculated dimensions. In the field text box, open the Add Expression dialog. You will now be able to add expressions in different ways and with different levels of complexity. In this case, we add an expression that will return only the customers for the region UK. When done, click Apply. Type a name for the dimension. In this case, we name the dimension UK region customers. Then we assign a color to it. When done, click Create and then close the dialog. The calculated dimension is now saved in the Dimensions category of the master items, and you can use it in visualizations. To delete a master dimension, right-click on it and click Delete. When a dimension has been deleted from the master items, all visualizations that reference the deleted master dimension will not work anymore until the missing dimension is replaced. Delete the invalid dimension and add a new one. To edit a master dimension, right-click on the dimension that you want to edit and select Edit. A dialog is displayed to inform you that any changes to the master dimension will be applied to all visualizations that use the dimension. In the Edit Dimension dialog, you can update the field or expression, name, description, tags and the color. In this case, we change the dimension color. When done, click Save. The master dimension is now updated. When you update a master dimension, the changes will be reflected in all its instances, including all visualizations that use it. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.